Hey marketers, are you ready to take your Instagram game to the next level? Want to learn how to turn your Instagram into a money-making machine using ManyChat? Well, you're in the right place. Stick around, because I'm about to break it down for you step by step. First up, let's talk about why Instagram and ManyChat make the perfect combo. These two platforms together can revolutionize your marketing strategy. Instagram has over 1 billion active users. That's right, 1 billion. That's a gold mine of potential customers just waiting to discover your brand. ManyChat, on the other hand, is a powerful chatbot platform that helps you automate your Instagram DMs. It's like having a personal assistant who never sleeps. Imagine having a virtual assistant working 24/7, answering queries and engaging with your audience. Step 1. Set up your ManyChat account. This is the foundation of your automated marketing strategy. Go to ManyChat.com and sign up. It's quick and easy. Connect your Instagram account and you're good to go. This integration is seamless and user-friendly. Don't forget to configure your bot settings to match your brand's tone. Consistency is key in maintaining your brand identity. Step 2. Create engaging content. This is where you capture your audience's attention. Your post should be eye-catching and valuable. Think about what your audience wants to see. Think tutorials, behind-the-scenes peeks, and exclusive offers. These types of content can drive massive engagement. Use Instagram stories to drive engagement, and always include a call to action that leads followers to your DMs. This is where ManyChat comes into play. Step 3. Automate your DMs with ManyChat. This is a game changer for managing your interactions. Set up automated responses for common questions. This ensures that your audience gets instant replies. For example, if someone DMs you about pricing, your bot can instantly reply with a detailed breakdown. No more waiting. This not only saves you time, but also keeps your audience engaged and satisfied. Step 4. Build a sales funnel. This is crucial for converting your followers into paying customers. Use ManyChat to guide your followers through a step-by-step journey. This makes the buying process smooth and intuitive. Start with a welcome message, then offer valuable content like ebooks or discounts. This builds trust and interest. Finally, direct them to your sales page. Make sure it's compelling and easy to navigate. The key here is to nurture your leads without being too pushy. Build a relationship first. Step 5. Analyze and optimize. This is where you fine-tune your strategy for better results. ManyChat offers analytics tools to track your performance. Use these insights to your advantage. Monitor metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates. These numbers tell you what's working and what needs improvement. Use this data to tweak your strategies and improve your results. Continuous improvement is the name of the game. Bonus tip: collaborate with influencers. This can give your brand a significant boost. Partnering with influencers in your niche can skyrocket your reach. Their endorsement can bring in a flood of new followers. Use ManyChat to manage these collaborations efficiently. It simplifies communication and coordination. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to making money with Instagram and ManyChat. With Instagram and ManyChat, you can automate your marketing, engage with your audience, and boost your sales. The possibilities are endless. Ready to start earning big? The time to act is now. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on making money online. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Peace out, and until next time, keep hustling and stay awesome.